What's up, guys? This is Combat with the K here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for the free Logic Pro X stock clear vocal presets. Let's get it. Alright, so right after you open up this zip, you're going to have this folder right here. It's going to have your tutorial in there, a README manual that pretty much has great links for MP3 to wave conversion, as well as a website that shows you the key of the beat and the tempo of the beat. So it's all there for you. Alright. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the preset template and we just double click. It's that easy. So once you guys have the template open, you guys are going to already see the template. You guys are going to have the beat track right here, the recording track, a lead verse, double, ad-libs, as well as the lead vox, hook, double, ad-libs. And if you guys look on it, there's all the plugins right there already adjusted to give you guys that clean vocal. Awesome. So I'm going to do a quick little overview. This tutorial is not really getting into how to use Logic or anything. It's just how to maneuver around the presets. Now up here, you guys see we have the key of the song. We have our tempo. And if you guys don't know the tempo of the song, you guys, I left a BPM stock plugin on the track. So all you have to do is let the beat play and it will give you the tempo right here. Now over here is your recording track. This is the track that you guys are going to be recording on and then dragging and dropping to the corresponding track. So if you guys are recording and it's the lead verse, you guys are going to drag and drop it right here at the lead verse. And then the same with the double or ad-lib. Okay. So one of the other main things that's good to know is going between the arrangement screen and the mixing screen. So right now, all you have to do is hit X and you can literally bring up the mixing screen. Boom. And you guys can see all the different tracks right here with all the plugins already on there. Next thing we're going to talk about is latency and any other issues you guys might have opening up this preset. And latency, all latency is when you guys are speaking in the mic with your headphones on, if you guys are talking and then hearing a delayed with your actual vocals coming through your headphones. That usually throws us off if we're singing or rapping, and it's just like it's just not good. So to fix that, you guys just want to go into Logic Pro X right here, Preferences, and then Audio. Now right here we have our buffer size. You would want your buffer size of around 128 or 64. That will really help with the whole latency issue. Another thing to look at is your output device. Make sure that it's connected to the right interface that you guys are using. So whether that's a Scarlett or Universal Audio, whatever it is, make sure you guys change that. And then when you guys are done, just hit apply. Alright, so when you guys open up the template, the first thing you're going to want to do is go over here to File and Save As. Now, what that does is it helps make it your own session, because right now, anything that you do in this session is going to change the actual preset. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go Save As, and we're going to go Example 1. And then just save it at the place you want to save it. So right now, I'm going to make sure it's saved at Desktop. And I always leave it at Package 2. It just makes sure it saves everything within there. Awesome. So now that I did that, any change that I make, anything I save, it's going to be to that session and not the actual preset that you guys downloaded. If you guys accidentally made any changes to that preset and you want to go back, you guys could just re-download my pack and you guys shouldn't have a problem. Now that I just showed you guys the overview of Logic, I want to now go into our first example. And for this example, we're going to be using some of BFC stems. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the beat. And you guys just want to drag and drop just like this. Now I'm going to play it out. Now remember, if the beat is too high, too low, you guys could use this fader right here and just move it up or down. Cool. And I'm going to show you guys real fast that BPM counter just to show you how easy it is. Dope. So we know it's 95 BPM. All you guys have to do is go up here to tempo, double click, and type 95. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in the lead vocal track. I'm going to add it right here on the recording track to show you guys how it would sound after you just recorded it, and then when you guys drag and drop to the preset. All right, so this is our lead vocal. I'm just going to place it right here, and I'm going to play it out.
I'm out here trying to save lives, so I keep this gun up on me in the daytime like a belt, cause I keep it on my waistline. I really had to take it.
So just imagine you guys just recorded that vocal track right there. Now we're just going to drag and drop. That easy.
On me in the daytime like a belt, cause I keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life, he tried to take mine.
And as you guys can hear, it's already a lot clearer.
They say the hustle always outweigh the shine.
All right, cool. Now, with that being said, you guys could adjust certain things with that. I wouldn't suggest going too much into the compression or EQ unless you guys are more experienced, and then by all means go and adjust away. But if not, I would just keep it like this just to make it nice and simple, and just make sure you're focused on creating that hit. All right. So one thing you guys could adjust is the reverb. So I'll show you guys that right now.
Keep it on my waistline. I really
You guys just want to hit this little circle right here where it says bus 1 and just drag up.
He had to take his life, he tried to take mine. They say the hustle always outweigh the shine. That's why I'm always in the game. You niggas riding by.
So you guys can control how much reverb is actually coming out of that vocal. Cool. So next thing I'm going to show you guys is the ad-lib track. And you guys could really hear the difference from just recording your ad-libs to putting it on the preset. Cool. I'm going to play it out.
For me in the daytime, hey, like a belt, cause I keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life, he tried to take mine. They say the hustle always out.
Awesome. Now I'm going to place it over to the ad-lib track and let's hear it out.
For me in the daytime, like a belt, cause I keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life, he tried to take mine. They say the hustle always outweigh the shine.
So you guys could really hear the difference with the recording ad-libs and then also with the presetted ad-libs. Another trick you guys could do is I also left this verse double track. And if you guys aren't recording doubles, another way to add width or clarity to your vocal is just copying and pasting the main vocal over. So let's play that out.
Chop how I jump in the whip, and I gotta blow some wood.
So that sounds a little weird with that level. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lower that double.
Woods of exotic shit. I'm like a bick. All I know is to keep it lit. They ask me why I'm doing it, because we getting rich. Fake rappers, drug.
So with something like that, you just really want to use your ears and just making sure you're getting the sound that you're looking for.
Dealers in them damn. For me in the daytime, like a belt, cause I keep it on my waistline. I really had to take his life.
And you guys would do the same thing with the lead hook, lead double. And if you guys needed any more tracks, all you would have to do is just duplicate it. Just Command D. Boom. And when you guys duplicate it, it has all the same plugins right on that track. It's that easy. Alright, and that pretty much concludes our free Logic Pro X stock clear vocal preset tutorial. And if you guys really like those and you guys just want more a detailed type of preset, I actually have an upgraded version which comes with 8 different presets from male to female, rap to singing, and even crisp to warm. So you guys could really change the type of tones and clarity that you guys are looking for. And with that template, with Logic Pro X, I actually include in the upgraded version channel strip settings. So it actually makes it super easy to be able to just import settings directly into Logic Pro X, like from Logic Pro X. It's super easy. And if you guys are interested in upgrading, in the manual that was provided in this free pack, I actually have a percentage off for you guys. So just make sure you guys look at that and let's get it.